In this video, I'll show you how to enable pointer location on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find the Pointer Location option. Tap the toggle next to Pointer Location to turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, you'll see touch tracking information displayed at the top of the screen. The feature will also show the path of your finger as you move across the display. Pointer location is useful for testing touch input, troubleshooting screen responsiveness, and demonstrating touch gestures during tutorials. If you no longer need this feature, simply return to Developer Options and turn off the pointer location toggle. That's it. You have successfully enabled pointer location on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.